Oh no. I was checking through and I remembered that I forgot to open this casting. So yeah, the last casting isn't what was the last casting, but this is the last casting of the video. A 22 Ford Maverick Custom. Let's open it. And here it is. Now something I've noticed now. Full headlights, full taillights. Okay, they're actually half. It's on the side but not on the rear. Oh well, at least it got something. So yeah, that's it. What was that like? Exactly 10 castings. Yeah, I don't know. Next time I go to the store, it's probably just gonna be a bunch of peg warmers. Yeah, it was an interesting few last months where I've gotten a lots of castings. Because lots of cases were dropping. Yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time in another Hot Wheels unboxing. Bye bye.